Hey guys, I'm Alex from TheTechnoclast.com, and today we're checking out something kind of big, something heavy too. This is the Logitech AudioStation. It's a large speaker system with dock for your iPod stuff. It accepts a bunch of iPod versions, as you can see here. And it has an AM/FM radio and a clock and a digital display with touchscreen controls. It's pretty big and it's rather powerful. It's got 80 watts, and yeah, let's get it out of its box and see what it looks like. This is actually very new. Well, the unit itself is new. But the model is slightly aged. Man, that's a lot of paper, huh? So I don't think I need to open this. This is a setup manual and instant guide. And you do get a remote control, and it looks pretty good. It looks rather large though. So you have a power button, sleep, iPad, aux, AM, FM. And you can control your iPod with these buttons here. Volume controls, up, down, select, menu, mute. I don't know what that is. And yeah, you can control your iPod with the remote. So you don't have to walk up to your iPod and get to it. And this looks like I'm not sure if it's an AM or FM antenna, but it is an antenna for your for listening to your stuff. And these are dock adapters, I believe, for your iPods. And basically they're sized in such a way that your iPod will fit really well onto them. Like I said, this is sort of old school kind of works docking style, where they give you a bunch of these dock types for your iPod. And what is this? This must be the power supply, huh? Wow, that is a big ass power supply. So it's an auto volt power supply, and it's pretty big. Alright, this is super impressive stuff right here. Alright, let's pull this out. You get a... what is this? This must be for the power supply. Oh, no. Huh. Could be for the ground or the another antenna. You do screw something there, so it could be for the ground or antenna. I'm not sure. And a power adapter, a power plug, power cable. Alright, that's it for the top. Can you imagine we just got through the top there? So check out the box right there, and here we go. That's it right there inside. Now how do we get this out? I can see another cable down there. Wow. Wow, this thing is robust. Try not to break this thing. Okay, sideways unloading. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. So, oh, yep. Oh. Yeah. So those are the speakers. Let's get it out of the plastic in a bit. And yeah, this thing is something else. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, well, that must weigh like 5 pounds or so. Wow. Okay. And there it is. Whew. Alright, so this is where you put your docks in. You can actually just plug anything on there and it'll work, but you can put in a bunch of these docks so your iDevice will fit better on there. This is the screen right there. You get a bunch of buttons. These are touch sensitive, so you can hit the source, select up, down, volume. You can pop out the covers here if you like, make it look more robust, like so. See, there you go. Those, you get a big two big satellites there. I'm not sure if that's a, I believe the tweeter is up there. And man, this is heavy. My hand is getting tired just holding it. So yeah, down here, just the feet. I guess those are feet. And up top, nothing much. Just a little vent here. Oh, okay. On the back, Logitech AudioStation. You get an AM. Let me put this down here. Plastic. And there we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So this looks like a power cable, which goes to the power adapter. Man, that smells nice. Okay, so as you can see here, you got FM antenna goes here, so that must be this one right there. So FM antenna goes there. And what else? We got video out. This is composite video out, S video out. These guys are basically will basically show what your iPod video does, or what kind of stuff your iPod video shows. I believe that's it. Yeah, it gets video from your iPod, so you don't have to watch it on the dock itself. You can plug it on your TV and watch your iPod video on your TV with these speakers, and you don't need a computer. This is an aux in. That is basically just a 3.5mm jack for other peripherals, and of course you also get the AM antenna jack there for plugging in the AM antenna. And that is crazy. So yeah, it's like a radio, a complete radio thing here, and it's pretty heavy, so I'm expecting pretty a good audio here. This is 80 watts. That's not a joke. This is, if you've been keeping up, we unboxed the JBL Spyro before, and that was just 36 watts. This is 80 watts. That is well higher than that. That's twice higher, and I can't wait to check it out. We'll try and get everything connected here, and we'll be back in a bit and see what happens. Alright guys, and we're back. So we sort of done setting it up here, and it's asking us a bunch of setting stuff. Oh. Yeah, okay, fine. Alright, so yeah, it says 12:08 p.m. and see what we can do here. Power it off. So I guess it just goes on standby if you press the button here. Yep. So right now it's off. Now it's on. You can hit source. So we're on FM, AM right now. Increase the volume.
Strike Bangwood emergency for the family. Povidone iodine estrogen.
So FM1. There you go. FM2, aux, iPod. Oh.
Suerte.
A little lag there on the controls.
Suerte. Pag nakita mo,
FM1, see how things go. Yeah, that is kind of loud. So, what else can we do here? Clock format, clock time. Alright, so that's all for the options. I don't think, oh, there we go. So you can control it with the volume. You can change the volume, you can basically control it with your remote control here. Oh wow, there's an equalizer. Or a, wait, show that again. You can change the bass, treble, brightness too. That's awesome. Brightness off. I see. iPod backlit on key press. Yeah, mute. I'm not sure what this is. I guess that's a sort of 3D mode, 3D bass boost mode or something. You can hit iPad, aux, FM, AM, put it to sleep. Huh. That's awesome. Turn it off, there you go, and you can put it to sleep. So that's about it. I guess we're not going to try it. I don't have an iPod to test. Though I would have tried it on the aux, but I don't have a cable long enough for auxiliary port. But that's about it. This is the Logitech AudioStation 80-watt speaker system. Let's roll out some specs here. It's got 36 to 23,000 hertz, AM/FM radio and clock. It has sleep mode, as you can see, S-video output and composite for outputting video from your iPods, and the price is about 8,000 or 9,000 bucks, depending. It's rather dated. It's not new. The model number is not new, and there's a bunch of replacement versions already. But we got this recently from a raffle. So that's about it. This is the Logitech AudioStation's iPod dock speaker system. And I'm Alex from TheTechnoclast.com. Thanks for watching.